Short on time but still want to eat like a champion? Don't worry. I've got 3 healthy breakfast ideas you can whip up in under 5 minutes. Let's fuel your morning without sacrificing time. Recipe 1. Energy boosting smoothie. Blend together 1 cup of almond milk, a handful of spinach, half a banana, a scoop of protein powder, and a tablespoon of peanut butter. This smoothie is packed with nutrients to kickstart your metabolism. Recipe 2. Overnight oats. Prepare this the night before. Mix half a cup of oats, a splash of almond milk, a spoonful of chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Top it with fresh fruit in the morning, and voila, breakfast is served. Recipe 3. Avocado toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, spread on mashed avocado, and sprinkle with chili flakes and a pinch of salt. It's simple, delicious, and loaded with healthy fats. There you have it. 3 breakfasts that are fast, healthy, and delicious. Which one are you trying tomorrow? Let me know, and hit that subscribe button for more quick and easy morning hacks.